I met Dr. Roy about 8 years ago. They permitted him to come out, that's what they call homebound. I wasn't able to go to the doctor, so he would come out. But anyway, he came out, he set me up with a therapist for my leg, because I had 12,000 pounds crushed this ankle right here. And I know this sounds kind of weird, but I got to show this right here. This is what he was looking at. I got a scar from here all the way up to here, and he looked at it, and he gave me medication and stuff, where my leg wouldn't swell or anything like that. Like I say, he was here for about a good hour and a half. We had a good conversation. Him, my wife, he was telling me about my medication, because some of my medication was a little bit stronger than the others. So, like I say, he had paperwork here for me to sign, and my wife signed some papers too. But Dr. Roy was good to me. When Dr. Roy was here at this house, him and my wife talked for about an hour and a half. And I felt real comfortable, because the doctors I had, now Dr. Roy was my first, doctors after I dismissed Dr. Roy, they were here, gone. Dr. Roy took time to sit down and talk. Dr. Roy sat there, he took time to see how I was feeling. He took my blood pressure, he took my sugar, and me and my wife, I think he even had a cup of coffee with me and my wife, I'm not for sure, but his demeanor was great. He wasn't just somebody like, you get to catch a lot of people out here, all they want is money. Come out here and see you, tell you okay, and you hurt when they leave. But like Roy got my therapist out here, he got my therapist, he got me a nurse to come out to make sure my blood pressure and stuff. He made sure that when they did come out here, that I had my medication and everything, So I really don't have nothing bad to say about Dr. Roy. Really, I don't. And he was just great. He was a great guy.
My name is Rosa Cardoso. A very well-groomed, well-bathed, good Christian man. Very clean. A very clean doctor. A very honest doctor. I felt a lot of confidence in him. He didn't just come in and rush out. Oh no, if you wanted to ask some questions, he was there to answer your questions. I'm very grateful first to God, then him, yes I am. Yes.
My name is James Holiness, and I'm a patient of Jacques Roy's. Somebody that was already on with Dr. Roy sent me to him. Well, I had had 11 surgeries for carpal tunnel and thoracic outlet syndrome, and also I had messed up disc in my back from being hurt on my job, and he treated me for that.
My name is Dennis Taylor. I was a patient of Dr. Roy's. When he would come out to see me, whatever patients he had, everybody would be seen, because people would basically, line up, whatever patient whatever he had, he would make sure that they were seen, How many, it doesn't matter how many it was, he would not leave until each patient was seen. All I can say is this man has done a great job. He's a great doctor. He needs to be on the outside, stay be on the inside. This man has done all he can to help me.
I'm Jane Evans, and I was a patient of Dr. Roy. I was told that he was interested in his patients, and I think that was important to me. When I first met Dr. Roy, he listened very carefully, and he waited till I was through, and then he asked other questions, and he said that he could take care of me. When I would have a problem and need him or need a doctor and call his office, it was remarkable to me that he himself would come to my home, and he would be here within 30 minutes sometimes. He said it's that failure to be able to be in two places at once and run the office and take care of the patients in the field It's my biggest challenge in life. He said, it's not taking care of the patients, it's being able to do both at opposite locations.
I want Dr. Roy, if you see this, I don't care about what's going on, what they say, or what they think you're doing. It's a lot of people out here still need you, Dr. Roy. Man, whatever you gotta do, get this off of you. Cause man, we need you out here, cause you one of the best doctors I ever ran into. Ain't never ran into another doctor like you. And I don't think they care much about their patients as much as you did, or what you do. So whatever you gotta do to get this off, Dr. Roy, please do it. And come on back home where you can help the people like you did once before. Because they need you. I wish you was still here. I do. Because you was a great help to me. And the other doctors can't do it like you. Because man, you know how to help a patient out to solve problems that they having. And I was saying something about the mind thing you used to tell me about. Pain is in your mind, and you told me to focus, and you get it out your mind, and it'll go away, and it helped a whole lot. And a lot of people that hadn't had a good doctor like you, they don't know, because they can't find them. And I ain't found a good doctor like you. I ain't found a doctor could even be close to you, that's that close to their patient, and know how to talk to them to solve a problem without adding on to it.
If I could talk to the judge, I would tell the judge that I find it difficult to believe he could have done anything to have harmed anybody under any circumstances. I considered Dr. Roy to be a really fine gentleman and an excellent physician. I do not believe he deserves to be punished for something I don't think he's capable of having done.
I will say this, I don't mean no disrespect to the judge, nobody else. But I was told that this man wanted to give him life, and I think that's wrong. Because all to me, what Dr. Roy wanted to do was help people. Even when he came in the shelter, he helped people. You know, he just didn't run in there and run out. I think there's over 100 people there. And he's seen everybody. You know, and I think that's, I do. I think that's wrong. That's very horrible for any man that want to help somebody to get that kind of time. I do. God knows I do. You know, and like I say, sir, I don't mean no disrespect to you or nobody else, but I think that's wrong. I can see if he was hurting people, but he wasn't. He was helping people. So if people is getting sent to prison for life for helping somebody, then I don't know what this world is coming to. I don't. Really, I don't. And I just hope that you look at it and look at this a better way. You know, Dr. Roy's a great man. I'm not ad-libbing, I'm not reading off no paper. I'm not doing it. I'm telling you how, and I'm about to cry now because it's hurting me, because the way I hear, that's what you want to do to this man. You shouldn't do that. You just shouldn't. It hurts me. Really, it does. But Dr. Roy's a lot better than that. I just thank you just for listening to me. May God bless you. I just don't think Dr. Roy should have that kind of time.